This is a gesture, it's a symbolic gesture from Lions Kuching Unity to our guest of honor. Thank you for all your unwavering support. We appreciate it very much. Blood pressure and so on. So everything is all for free. So make sure you grab this opportunity. Make sure you drop out to every single booth. We'd like to thank all the religious sponsors we have PPIS, Team Representative, Geriatrics, Hospital Sarawak, Hospital Sarawak, Hospital Sarawak,
Good morning from City 1. Today SGGS is participating in free health screening organized by Lions Club Kuching. We are very thankful for the invitation. Today we want to present SGGS to Sarawak, to the elderly, because our motto and our slogan and our message for you all is healthy, elderly, living a full life. Living a full life means to enjoy your life unlimited. From the day you're born to the day you die. It's worth it all. Yeah. See, this is the mission that we seek to encourage and support healthy elderly to remain active members of the society. Nobody is not good enough to be part of the society. Everyone deserves the best of life. Yeah. Living life to the fullest and recognize their contribution to Sarawak. Everyone has done their part, and SGGS want to appreciate them by bringing them to join us, because we uphold and promote Asian family values of love and respect for our elderly. This is very important. We also promote and support organizing activities of healthy elderly and encourage them to share their views on matters concerning them to the relevant authority. Here today we are sending a message to the authority. We are sending a message to the authority. Please involve us in planning, in creating opportunities for the elderly of Sarawak. Thank you very much. and support us. Please support us. Yes.